Good afternoon, Flat Rock families. I'm Andrew Brodie, Superintendent of Flat Rock Community Schools. On November 30th, 2021, at 12:51 p.m., devastation struck Oxford High School, shaking students, educators, and parents in Michigan and across the country. As we approach the one-year anniversary of the Oxford tragedy, please join me in remembering the students who lost their lives that day. Madison Baldwin, Tate Meyer, Hannah St. Juliana, and Justin Schilling. The past few years have been hard on students and teachers alike, from the impact of the pandemic to the pain felt by schools and communities across the country recovering from tragic acts of violence. We know the toll that these factors can have on mental health. We also know that for students to succeed academically, they need to feel safe in their learning environments. That's why it's so important to continue to work together to support our students. At Flat Rock Community Schools, we have counselors, social workers, behavior specialists, student support specialists, coaches, teachers, and administrators, all at the ready to help support our students. The most important thing a student can do is talk to us and let us help. Help them with whatever might be going on, or at least allow us the opportunity to find the right resources to support our students and their families. As we head into the holiday season, I encourage you to talk openly with your child about mental wellness. Whether that means serving as a shoulder to cry on or discussing the support available to them at school and in the community. An open dialogue can be the great benefit to you and your child. Reflecting on the tragedy that struck Oxford 1 year ago, we know many parents have questions about what is being done to keep their students safe in our buildings. To that end, Officer Wydryck, our new school resource officer from the Flat Rock Police Department, is here to give you an update.
Hello. Along with entering into partnership with the City of Flat Rock to employ a school resource officer, last year the Flat Rock Board of Education and School Administration began researching a product and a program to support school safety that works intentionally with our ALICE protocols. As a result of this study and commitment to safety, the Flat Rock Board of Education has committed over $450,000 to this critical school safety initiative. For the last few months, the Lockout Company has been on site installing a barrier-styled solutions for our buildings. This project will include their Smart Boot system, which is comprised of a fully code-compliant physical barricade device that, when initiated during any level of a threat, can send an instant signal throughout our facilities as well as to our law enforcement. This system not only provides individual lockdown room protection, but also mass communication to instruct both the alert for lockdown and the all clear. We are also installing a color-coded and zoned room signage system that will help first responders to locate individuals and will also help us with our day-to-day operations at Flat Rock Community Schools. Lastly, this project will encompass full training for our students and staff that is tiered to what is age appropriate. For example, in our younger grades, the Bobby the Boot mascot will come to teach them about lockdown safety. It is critical to the Flat Rock Community Schools Administration that when our students and staff are at school, they can focus on their work, learning, and play without being encumbered with the anxieties or fear for their safety. This upgrade for our safety and security plan has been fully endorsed by the Flat Rock Community Schools Board of Education and the Flat Rock Police Department. While we continue to evaluate and improve the safety measures we have in place, it takes a commitment from the entire community to keep our children safe. We must work together to protect our children.
Thank you, Officer Wydryck. The safety of our students, educators, and staff is our top priority at Flat Rock Community Schools. It is also imperative to understand that making threats to our schools will be met with harsh consequences. To discuss this further, we have attached a message from State of Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel addressing these concerns and potential outcomes for students that make this poor choice. If you have additional questions or concerns, please contact your building principal. We are here to help. As always, thank you for being a partner in your child's education, and go Rams.